Hey everybody, I am so excited about the beginning of the year and what we're going to be rolling out. As a lot of you know, we're going to be doing our fasting class starting next week, next Wednesday, the 15th. One of the key words is autophagy. What is autophagy? It's self-eat. Auto is self and phagy is eat. So we're teaching your body how to break down the weak cells, the old bad unhealthy cells, either yours, your microbiome, which are the bugs in your gut and the rest of your digestive system and all over your body, as well as bad cells, like cancer cells can't live in an environment that's really healthy, especially they cannot consume ketones. They love sugar. So what we're going to be working on over the 6 or 7 week period is teaching your body how to get into autophagy to a degree that it's wiping out all of the weaker cells. So when we're born, our cells are real healthy, up into the 10, 9 range. Every time they divide, they start to get weaker and weaker and weaker, especially if our body's weak. And if we've got loads of toxins, like we get heavy metals down through our mothers, 4 generations, and we get exposed to all kinds of different toxins in our environment, the food we eat, the glyphosate in our environment, a lot of our cells are down in the 3, 4, 5 range, and you will become very sick. Your immune system will be very sick then. You'll end up being more susceptible to all kinds of problems and all kinds of bad things, and the opportunistic bugs take over. So as we teach you how to get your body more into autophagy, as we're teaching the intermittent fasting and ketogenic diet over the next many weeks, we're going to have your cells go back upscale. So 4s are going to make 5s, healthier cells and healthier cells and healthier cells. One thing that we know is the only thing known to increase the length of our cell life is fasting, and that's what we're teaching. So stay tuned. The 15th is coming quickly. I'll be going over different points every day so that you can kind of get an idea of what to do. And call the office, 831-459-9990, to sign up for the first class. It's Wednesday the 15th, and it's $15 for this incredible bunch of information. And I got to let you, new stuff's coming out all the time. It's $25 at the door. It's at Severino's, which is the Best Western in Aptos. And if you live out of town, still call the office and we can get you lined up to watch this online. So it's 831-459-9990 or info@McCollum Family Chiropractic. Info@McCollum Family Chiropractic. Y'all have an awesome day, and think about autophagy, getting your body to break down the bad cells and make new good ones. All right, have a great day.